I, JBN Dr. Brajraj Singh Chauhan, Associate Professor, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur, Program BSc B.Ed, HSM, Course Pedagogy of Mathematics, and session of today is various type of thinking, concept formation, and problem solving. Thinking is included in all our activities. It is the language of the mind. Thinking is nothing but it is the language of mind. It is the mental activity which does not depend directly upon sensory or motor contact with the present circumstances. Autonomical sites concerned with the thinking: number one, cerebral cortex, limbic system, and reticular activating system. Tools of thinking is concepts, combination of concepts, language symbols, diagrams, images, a mental representation of the visual information. Images is the mental representation of visual information. Cognitive maps, a mental representation of familiar part of the environment. Theories. What is concept? The concept is a mental event used to represent a category, class, or group of action or objects, not just individual cases. It is to know the common properties and the rule that relate them. It is one of the higher cognitive function. Con- It is a higher cognitive function. It is a mental event used to represent a category, class, or group of action. It is to know the common properties and the rules that relates them. Why do we need concept? Combination of concept, combined concepts guide thoughts and action. Rule, law, and principles combine so many concepts in certain relationship. Knowledge of the common properties has great impact on how we deal with the objects around us. Concept enables us to go beyond the information we perceive. Having some visible properties of an object allow us to infer properties that are not visible. This ability is fundamental to thought. Concept allow us to apply the common properties that we already know to object or people we encounter for the first time. Concept of widely used activities such as eating, abstract things such as truth or justice or states as being old allow us to communicate quickly about things that occur frequently. If we need no way to organize or classify our experience, our impression of our environment and ourselves would be holistic. Phases of concept formation: generalization, differentiation, abstraction. Generalization: inability to differentiate between familiar and non-familiar object. Differentiation: distinction between different item. Abstraction: inability to grasp the essentials of a whole and the hidden meaning. It is instead by proverbs, medical implication, abstract and concrete thinking in certain forms of psychiatric and physical illness. Factors playing a role in concept formation. Although our concept, principles, and beliefs may guide our thinking, personal feeling and prejudices may f- falsify our ideas and lead to erroneous conclusion. Your own concept of a certain thing may not agree in all respect with the standard definition as your own. Concept consist of what you know or believe about this thing and its interaction with you personally. Type of concept: inborn, acquired, formal. All the members have all attributes. Natural often cannot be easily defined with the defined attributes and rules. Prototypes: it is the member of concept that best typifies or represent that concept or properties to describe the best example. It is a way to help us better definition natural concept core, the properties that are the most essential for being a member of the concept. Type of thinking: autistic thinking, purposive thinking, problem solving, logical thinking, creative thinking, concrete and abstract thinking. So austic thinking does not go with the real world or its fact not directed towards any purpose. Passive does not need many attention, does not lead to any mental exhaustion from immediate plays in the children daydream and insight in and night dream, beneficial if it is moderate. Pathological if the whole thinking is directed through this unrealistic way as schizophrenia. Purposive thinking, control and goal directed uses concept and its combination of rule and principles, uses vocal and written language symbols. Problem solving, it is a process of seeking and finding the way and means to solve the problem. It is an active process. It is higher cognitive function. Problems are usually solved by the mixture of trial and error. Insight learning, we may solve the problem by trial and error, then gain insight retrospectively how it was solved. Trial and error, a rate in a maze. After many trials of exploration, the rat reaches the food box. The rat learns the direction of the goal and the situation with which we has become familiar. Insight learning, a chimpanzee and a bunch of banana. Insight means planning the solution of a mental level beforehand. Insight is affected by past experience and full information about the problem. Step of problem solving is recognition of the problem and definition of the goal. Information gathering, gathering relevant information to the problem solving state, using tool of thinking, putting alternative solution, elimination of the irrelevant solution, revising previously solved similar problem, evaluation state, assessment of the result, self criticism. Problem solving strategy is the systematic plan for generating possible solutions that can be tested to see if they are correct. Type of strategy: algorithm, evaluating all possible solutions. Heuristic evaluation, probability that you think to be more reasonable. Reduction, dividing the problem into a small subproblems more easier to manage. Finding analog, finding the similarities between the current problem and previous problem. Barriers for effective problem solving: identify indefinite goal, insufficient or irrelevant data, mental set, tendency to perceive or respond in the particular way, distractibility, lack of motivation, failure to retrieve memory, inability to control emotional factor, attitude, inflexibility, using incorrect strategy, insufficient tool of thinking, or unclear concepts. Logical thinking, it is to reach a conclusion which is accepted by the thinker as certain or at least probable conclusion by using relevant data. The opposite is illogical or loose thinking, using irrelevant data to reach unaccepted conclusion. Creative thinking, controlled, goal directed, happens in art and inventive productions, has four phases. Phase of the creative thinking is preparation phase, data collection and understanding all about the problem. Incubation phase, it is a waiting period. Work is neglected consciously, but unconscious work is done. Inspiration or illumination phase, the solution comes suddenly out of the blue. Verification phase, testing the solution, experimental work to verify scientific hypothesis. Concrete and abstract thinking, uh, inability to understand the meaning behind a word or statement. Abstract thinking, ability to understand the essentials and hidden meaning behind a word or a statement. Disorder of thinking, disorder of the stream, disorder of the control, disorder of the content, disorder of the form. Disorder of the stream, rapid thinking and fight of ideas, mania. Slow or retarded thinking, depression. Block, schizophrenia. So, disorder of stream is a rapid thinking and flight of ideas. This is mania. Slow or retarded thinking, it is depression. Thought block, it is schizophrenia. Disorder of control, thought reading, thought insertion, thought broadcasting, thought withdrawal. Disorder of content, preoccupying with obsession, fears, and suicidal thoughts, overvalued ideas, delusions in schizophrenia, Bejare, prescriptory, delusion of the reference, delusion of identify, and depression, delusion of nihilism, delusion of hypochondriasis, somatic delusion, in mania, delusion of the grandestry. I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, mention in comment box. I will resolve it very soon. Thank you very much.